Hey guys, it's me, Gracie Carroll, and just in time for Cinco de Mayo, I'm here with an authentic guacamole recipe. I recently found out that the way that we make guacamole in North America is actually really inauthentic. When you think of guacamole, I think of lemon juice, lime juice, tomatoes, onions, garlic, all of that stuff, and apparently that's wrong. So when I went to an event with avocados from Mexico, they taught me that the authentic way to make guacamole is to have way less ingredients. In fact, the recipe I'm going to share with you today only has 5 ingredients, so it's even easier to make and it's super, super tasty. I ate the entire bowl when I was there, so I really wanted to share the recipe with you. And Cinco de Mayo is just around the corner, so now you can make it and share it with all of your friends. The second tip I learned is how to cut an avocado properly. A lot of us cut around this way, which apparently is not right. And what you can do instead is cut around the circumference. So if you just very carefully go around like this until you meet the other side. After that, just twist it off. So you've got 2 sides, and then you should be able to just squeeze it a little bit, and then the seed will pop right out. You can see inside here just how nice and green and fresh these avocados are. They're obviously perfect for making a really tasty and fresh guacamole. This is a perfect coloring that you want, a little bit yellow and a little bit green together. So what do you need to make the guacamole? The 5 ingredients are avocados, of course, some really good high quality sea salt, a spicy green pepper. I'm using a jalapeno today, but I would also recommend a serrano pepper. And then a red onion, you don't need this much, only about ½ cup, and cilantro. That's it. And that's it, the easiest, most authentic recipe ever. What I love even more is that you can make this in a bowl. You don't need to use anything else, and it's so good. You're gonna love it. One other tip that I will share with you is that to save this for later, just put a seed in the center and then put it in the fridge. That will stop your guacamole from turning brown and stay nice and green for the whole night. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your guacamole. Have a great Cinco de Mayo, and I'll see you next time for the next episode of Gracie Cooks.